Welcome to this highly practical explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the dollars and cents of car keys right here in San Diego. And honestly, we're going to try to save you from a massive future headache. I'm really glad you're here. We're cutting through all the fluff and getting right to the facts that San Diego homeowners and daily drivers absolutely need to know. See, we're going to talk about a very specific piece of technology that you probably have in your pocket right now and why ignoring it could literally cost you a fortune. Let's get into it.
Okay, so let's jump right into this total nightmare scenario. Picture this. You're standing in a San Diego parking lot. Maybe you just finished up at the grocery store, or, maybe you're leaving the beach. You start patting your pockets, you're checking your bag, and suddenly, bam, that sinking feeling hits you. You realize your very last car key is completely gone. Panic sets in, right? But beyond just that immediate stress of being stranded, what does that actually mean for your wallet?
Well, that single moment of bad luck triggers what the locksmiths industry calls an all-keys-lost replacement job. And that is going to instantly cost you anywhere from $250 to over $600. Yeah, it is a massive, sudden hit to your bank account. And you know what the worst part is? It's entirely preventable if you just know how the system works.
So the crucial takeaway here is that without a working key, a locksmith or a dealership is essentially flying blind. They can't just cut you a new key, they have to originate a key entirely from scratch using your vehicle's VIN, the vehicle identification number. They've got to pull specialized security codes directly from the manufacturer and physically reset the Immobilizer Systems. It is a really complex process. And because of that, you're very often left waiting for an expensive tow truck since the car simply can't be started. Plus, you could easily end up missing work while you wait in days for an opening at the dealership.
Section 1. The why, copying versus creating data.
So why is there such a staggering price difference between replacing a lost key and just getting a spare? Honestly, it all comes down to data. If you have a working key in your hand right now, we're simply copying and cloning existing data. That process is incredibly cheap and it's fast. But if you have zero keys, we're forced to create data from absolutely nothing. Creating that data requires dealer-level software, time, and special authorization codes. So when you're paying that $600 emergency fee, you aren't really paying for a little piece of plastic and metal, you're paying for the complex digital rescue mission required to create that data from scratch.
To really grasp this, we've got to talk about the Immobilizer. Modern keys aren't just cut metal anymore. They actually contain tiny microchips. These chips have to digitally shake hands with your car's immobilizer. If the car doesn't recognize the specific encrypted signal from that chip, the engine will not run, even if the physical metal key fits the ignition perfectly. This is exactly why cloning a working signal while you still have a key saves you an absolute fortune. You completely bypass all that heavy digital lifting.
Section 2. Identify your key type and what it costs.
Now, what's really cool is that you can figure out exactly what a spare should cost you just by looking at the key sitting in your driveway right now. Here is your fluff-free San Diego pricing guide, straight from the data. If you have an older pre-2000s car with a basic metal key, you're looking at just $3 to $15 because it requires cutting only, no programming. Stepping up to a transponder key, which looks normal but has a hidden chip, that's going to be $120 to $250 since that chip has to be programmed to the immobilizer. A remote head or flip key will run you $150 to $300, factoring in the blade cat and the remote buttons. And then all the way at the top, those push-to-start proximity smart keys. Those use highly encrypted rolling codes, they require dealer-level software, and they will run you $200 to well over $450.
Section 3. Execution. Where to get your spare.
Look, knowing the price is really only half the battle. To actually get this job done in San Diego without wasting your entire day, you really have two options: taking your car to the dealership or having a mobile locksmith come directly to you. Let's examine those trade-offs.
First up is the dealership experience. Dealerships bundle key programming right into their large service departments, and that means they have high overhead. You'll typically need to bring the car to their lot, wait days for an appointment, sit around in a waiting room, and pay a premium for the labor. However, to be completely fair, it is a solid route if you strictly demand original equipment manufacturer, or OEM parts. For some luxury vehicle owners out there, that peace of mind is totally worth the extra time and money.
Conversely, let's look at the mobile locksmith advantage. A mobile locksmith brings the exact same grade of programming equipment directly to your driveway in Claremont, your tight parking spot downtown, or your workplace in Chula Vista. And they do it for less money because they simply don't have a massive service center to maintain. There's zero towing required, and they offer same-day service, often arriving within the hour. It's just a wildly more efficient way to solve the problem for the vast majority of vehicles.
And this really brilliantly illustrates the time savings of that mobile route. Most mobile spare key jobs, even for those complex, highly encrypted smart keys, are fully completed on-site in just 30 to 60 minutes. You don't have to rearrange your schedule, take time off work, or try to figure out a ride home.
Section 4. Is a spare worth it right now?
We've covered all the math, so let's establish who actually needs to take action today. Listen, if you're in a single-key household, you are literally one lost purse, one misplaced jacket, or one bad washing machine accident away from a total emergency. If you're the parent of a teen driver, well, statistically speaking, they have the highest rate of lost keys in the house. And if you own an older vehicle, parts are just simply getting harder to source. If you fall into any of these groups, buying a $150 spare today is incredibly cheap insurance against a guaranteed $400+ emergency call tomorrow.
Now, to be perfectly objective, let's look at the flip side of this. If you already have 2 accounted for keys sitting safely at home, or if you're definitely selling the vehicle next month, the math shifts entirely. In those specific scenarios, the risk is way lower, and you can safely hold off and keep that money in your pocket.
But for the rest of us daily drivers, I really want you to remember this core truth drawn directly from our source material. The cheapest time to buy a spare is always before you need one. Think about that for a second. The absolute cheapest version of this job you will ever be quoted is while your current key still perfectly works. It's one of those very rare automotive expenses that actually gets much cheaper the earlier you deal with it. If you're in San Diego County and you've realized you probably need to get this handled, the source for today's explainer, SwiftKeys San Diego, offers 24/7 mobile service. You can completely skip those frustrating automated dispatchers and get a real local locksmith to give you a firm same-day estimate right over the phone by calling 858-400-4082.
I'll leave you with this final, practical question to seriously consider for your own wallet. Will you secure that cheap insurance on your own terms today, or risk the all-keys lost nightmare tomorrow? And honestly, it kind of makes you wonder, what other expensive maintenance blind spots are sitting right there in your driveway? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Stay informed, stay prepared, and I'll catch you on the next one.